Hello and good day. Today I'm doing something different and I'm going to review Coles brand organic diced mango. Now the last time I had this was a couple of months ago, or maybe a month ago or something like that, and these tasted absolutely disgusting. Now I had that in a smoothie, which is what I'm doing again today, and I'm going to see and give it another chance if it has improved, if the batch was absolutely off, or if my freezer was absolutely buggered at the time. We've also got this blender, which I can give an honest review for, which is absolutely terrible. It fails at actually blending anything properly, and you will probably notice that. Alright, let's get into it. Mango and lime smoothie. Okay, so that's just something it's telling you you can make, and this is certified organic diced mango at $9 for 450 grams. Yes, it costs a lot more, I think. Maybe, actually I'm not too sure, maybe double the price of regular mango. And I do highly recommend using fresh mango and freezing fresh mango. I mean, this has to be what that is, but doing it yourself is a little bit better sometimes. Now, it smells pretty decent so far, and what I'm going to do is, well, I'm using organic cocoa nut unsweetened by Pure Harvest. This stuff isn't as good as the coconut milk, but that could be what is setting off the taste. I'm going to add a tiny bit of this in first, just because my blender is absolutely terrible. And I might be using the whole bag today. I'll start off with a little bit, then I'll add just a bit of that on top there, and we'll get to blitzing. Not doing too bad at the moment. I think it's more when you cram in too many frozen things that it starts to get mad. For me, I need to add more. And there it goes, struggling. And I don't want to have to add too much liquid just because I want it to be smooth. There we go. You can sort of hear the motor roaring as it lets off a burning smell. And my favourite thing to do is shake that around. This blender reeks of smoke. I'm not going to attribute that to the taste, because I have made blueberry smoothies in this and there was nothing wrong with the taste. However, the mango seemed to be absolutely disgusting last time. Trying not to add too much milk here because I don't want it to not be a smoothie. Give it a little bit of a whack. The only thing I smell inside of this blender right now is smoke. I don't smell any smoothie of mango. And like I keep saying, you would want to be using a blender that can absolutely annihilate the mango chunks. Now let's have a look at the thickness on that one. Oh, look at that. This isn't really a fair review, because the review should be based on this coconut, I guess, water. It's making the mango taste absolutely like garbage. Actually, I'm going to pause it there, get a glass and some apple juice and see if I can sweeten it up just a little bit. Alright, we're back. Whew. Went for a little bit of a jog. So I am using, now this is a bit of a cheat, because if you're using this organic coconut unsweetened, it doesn't say whether it's milk or just like the coconut water. The other stuff, which I don't know what it is, it's some sort of creamy coconut milk substance, I don't know, but this tastes like garbage, this organic coconut. It doesn't say anything else. So I'm going to try and add a touch of sugar, and this is pure Tassie 100% apples, organic pressed cloudy apple juice. Now we're going to add just a little bit of a touch. I don't want to go too far with this, only because I want it to still be a smoothie. Well, a little bit of a touch. Let's find out what that looks like. Hey, yep. All right. It's not really a smoothie anymore, but fuck. Just gonna go for it. Not a smoothie today, unfortunately. Just oh, just a touch more. Why not? Oh. Now, this is a review for the mango pieces, and it wasn't really a fair review, but we are going to go for it anyway with the apple juice. Oh, that is a milkshake, unfortunately, if I have to say so myself. We added the final touches of apple juice, which we've used a little bit from the top, And let's have a go. The apple juice really only partly masks the taste of this coconut liquid. I thought the mangoes would have an overpowering taste, as I think with fresh mangoes, or at least frozen fresh mangoes, seem to have a very strong taste. But still, I'm not so sure whether or not it's the mango or the actual coconut liquid. It doesn't really specify whether it's of coconut, milk, and whole brown rice. What the fuck? That is disgusting. Whole brown rice. So it's very ricey. That's for sure. I have to give this, I don't know, I'm going to have to give the mango slices a 6 out of 10. The reason being is because it should be overpowering the taste of that coconut, which doesn't taste like coconut. It tastes like the brown rice stuff that I just read that they just put in there. But with a fair review, I would use almond milk or like the creamy coconut milk. Wow, maybe in a couple of weeks or something I might review that again and do an update. And try to use the correct milk, and we'll see if it has a much better flavour. But for now, I'm going to turn this off and push through this disgusting drink and fill my tummy. Thanks for watching.